Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be very interesting because I know I should have filmed it yesterday, but I am really ill. I have sickness, which you don't want to know that, but I've been ill since yesterday, and yeah, I've been really sick and sick to my stomach and everything like that. But all I want to do is, obviously, as you can tell by this title, is Day in My Life Part 3. Before we do that though, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll just jump right onto this video. So, as you can tell by the title, it is Day in My Life Part 3. I'm gonna try, like, motivate today because, yeah, I need to do my bed. I'm gonna put my Teddy one on because I'm really cold. Now, I'm gonna put my clean clothes away. I'm gonna do my dishwashing out. I'm gonna sort my little desk area because that's a bit messy. And yeah, but first I'm gonna chill out for a bit. It's actually currently almost 3:15, so I am doing this vlog a little bit later than I thought, but hey ho. Please, how myself look. I need to shower today. That's what I'm also going to do today. But yeah, I will see you guys when I will strip my bed and put my Teddy one on. But first, I'm gonna obviously chill out for a bit. So I just did my bed. This is what it looks like. So this is my bed. Is the teddy fleece one. Got my pillows. I got my teddy. Got my fleece, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is obviously I'm gonna have a break at the moment, and then I'll start doing my clothes that needs to go to charity. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a minute. So I just done all of that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll get some clean PJs on and then just chill out for a bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do today because, like I said, I am really sick today. I don't know why. Oh well. So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. What I'm gonna do now is also I'm gonna head in the shower, I'm gonna get some clean PJs on, and then I'm gonna finish off my pretty lights. So I'll see you guys when I'm out of the shower. So just got a shower, as you can tell. I'm just gonna do my hair and then yeah, let's go. So I just done my hair. That is it for my day in the life. I know it's not the best one, but you know, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.